How to Beza or Bossman Dlow, guys. Today we're gonna teach you how to make a Beza beat using all stock plugins, guys. First, Bossman is very dark, the beat selection. So we're gonna first start with a trumpet sustain. Trumpets, they are very powerful and dark. So we are at 150 BPM F minor. So we start with the minor chord over here. Hey, and there you go. That's the minor chord. Now what I did was I removed the middle note, and then you get it like this. And then I just put it up a little bit, and then you can create tension, guys, because they have beef with each other. So they have very tension. They're very tensed, and then you get like a deep key over here. Oh. Okay, so this is how you do it. Now, at the fourth bar, you can add some variations. Nah, this is good. Okay, pretty good, guys. And then, to be honest, I added a little trumpet staccato over here. I don't know how to pronounce it. So it's also from Flex, and it's free, guys. Free, no excuse, guys. Free. And I added delay, added an EQ to remove the lows, and then this like a top line melody. So this is to make the beat less boring, And then we're gonna go to GMS. Now GMS is also free, guys. I only use free stuff, okay? So GMS, you look for bass and then look for synth kick. Now is this very familiar to you if you hear Bigza music, Like the boop 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 boop. And then we're gonna go for all string staccato, also from Flex, and it's free, If you watched my past tutorials, I love using free stuff. Now more layers, And then this is one octave lower. Also delay and EQ, same. It's the same. Now we get Nexus. It can be free now, but you can replace it with other choir ensemble, just to make it more darky and add more tension. Now we got bass. Now we're gonna go for boo bass because it's boo bass, guys. What's a big saw beat without boo bass? So we're gonna add that, and then let's listen to the whole melody on its own. Whoa, leaked the drums. Okay, the moment you all been waiting for, the drums. You first start with a rim, just to make it more bouncy. Okay, let's hear it like this. Now pretty pretty bouncy already. And then add open hat. And then you make it more powerful, And then add a crash, gotta make it even more powerful. Yeah, and then you add a hi-hat now. If you guys don't know how to make hi-hats, first of all, you can go to your hi-hat and then select fill each 2 steps. Right click, fill each 2 steps. And then you can get a quick hi-hat pattern like this. And then you can start making variations. For example, if you want to make a hat roll, you first place it here, and then highlight it or click it, and press Alt A. so you can appreciate it, so you can make it as fast or as slow as you want. And there you go. You can just place it everywhere. Just your heart desires. Nah, it's pretty gas already, guys. Now let's jump in the snare. Now it's pretty bouncy already. Now we're gonna add the L8, because without L8 it's not a beza beat, you know. We're gonna add pure L8 2018, also from Reddit, guys. Get drum kits from Reddit. Don't buy drum kits, guys. There's always free stuff you can explore. So I didn't do anything that complex. I just follow the bass notes, and that's it. Some variation here. Now listen to the whole beat, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Not yet. Subscribe to my channel. In 3, 2, 1. Not yet. Hit the like and hit the like for this video. In 3, 2, 1. Here you go. Oh wait. Bah! And then you can say beza. Yeah. When you listen to this beat, you say beza. 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 Beza.